Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that XMAQUINA token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. DEUS is a decentralized autonomous organization DAO and ecosystem built to provide on-chain community governance, access to investment in the emerging humanoid robotics sector, governance driven investment DAO. DEUS token holders collectively control a treasury that invests in private robotics companies like Figure AI and X Technologies. Omnichain governance token. The DEUS token is the ecosystem governance layer with staking required to obtain voting power as a XDEUX robotics capital market protocol. The core infrastructure brings traditionally liquid robotics assets on chain to create liquid permissionless market. DEUS token DEUS project institution rating is 4.1. DEUS token total supply is 999.98 million and circulating supplies around 200.41 million DEUS token. DEUS token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.